If you're into gore adventures and liked playing Bloodborne, Sony has a new surprise for you, and it's definitely not for kids. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the latest tech and gaming news. An R-rated animated film adaptation of Bloodborne is currently being developed by Sony. Sony Pictures Entertainment Motion Picture Group held a presentation at CinemaCon, where the division's president said that the adaptation will be very true to the violent and graphic nature of the game. Bloodborne was created by Japanese studio FromSoftware and was published by Sony back in 2015. The critically acclaimed title is an RPG in the style of Dark Souls, featuring heavy blood splatters during combat and other body horror elements. Its director, Hidetaka Miyazaki, said his biggest inspiration for the game was H.P. Lovecraft's works. Bloomberg had reported in February that Bluepoint Games, the now-defunct Sony studio behind many PlayStation remakes, wanted to work on a new version of the classic Gothic horror RPG for modern consoles. However, FromSoftware blocked the project. Miyazaki reportedly wanted to work on the remake himself, despite being too busy to do it. He said during an interview that he doesn't want anyone else to touch it. The Bloodborne film adaptation will be co-produced by PlayStation Productions, Lyrical Animation, and Sion McLaughlin, a gaming YouTuber known by his pseudonym Jacksepticeye. The film is reportedly in its early stages, and Sony has not pinned a release date yet. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.